He is an expert welder. He says that is what he wants to do with the rest of his life. And let me tell you, he's got a great future ahead of him. Now, this specialized high school right behind me opened up just 5 years ago here in Pasadena, but it's already giving students really important skills that can lead to high-paying jobs. Whether you notice it or not, welding is used in everything around you. And for Alvaro Torres, the process represents a future.
It takes skill, it takes time, it takes patience to be able to do this kind of craft.
Alvaro was just 18 years old, a recent graduate of Pasadena ISD's Career and Technical High School. This year, he was one of only 2 high schoolers to compete in the National Craft Championship in California. He took first place.
Welding for me, it's an art. I see it as taking other variables, other materials, and making one whole thing.
Welding jobs pay from $18 to $36 an hour. That's why it's such a big focus at this high school, where most students hope to jump directly into the workforce after graduating.
Alvaro is the person that takes pride in his work. And when you take pride in your work, that's going to take you a very long way.
And it looks like Alvaro is already on his way to landing a job. He just finished his final welding tests at industrial construction company Performance Contractors Incorporated.
We've been hiring students out of this high school for the last 5 years. Alvaro will have been, if he passes the weld test, the 4th student from his senior class to get hired.
Eventually, I would like to get all the knowledge I've learned from my various instructors and people that have been in my life. I want to share with others. You know, I don't want to be selfish.
I cannot wait to see what he is able to accomplish over the next few years. He's got a bright future ahead of him.